the tutorial on how to use Google Calendar. What is Google Calendar? Google Calendar is a web application for time management developed by Google. This was first launched on April 13, 2006. And to be able to use the Google Calendar application, users must have a Google account on their smartphone or computer. Google Calendar application is provided free of charge by Google, so users can freely use it to organize various activities. Some of the latest smartphone releases already include the Google Calendar applications as the default application. So just how to use Google Calendar. Okay, here it is. Firstly, make sure your friend's internet connection is connected. So make sure that your internet connection is connected. Then open the Google Chrome browser here. So I recommend you to use Google Chrome to open. But here I use the Google Chrome browser. So make sure you have logged in to your Gmail address. This is already logged in. Then click the dot 9 here on the right up a corner and select the calendar. You can see logo just like this. And after selecting the calendar, a display like this will appear. So you can see here, we can set the appearance daily or per day. So you can see on your screen like this. And also we can change into weekly or per week, and also monthly, just appearance like this. And we can also change it per year with the appearances like this and based on your needs. And after this, and then how to create an event on this calendar application. Just click create here and then click event here. After you click create, just click event, and then we add the title. For example, the title must be training, retraining for today's agenda or event. And after this, we select the time or the day. For example, you can see here I will set into 9 a.m. until 11 a.m. or 2 hours. Okay. And after this, you can also select time zone for every day. If you want to do this training or training every day, just click the all day check mark here. And also we can select the time zone. So we can select the time zone and adapt it into, for example, we will invite someone here. So we have to set, for example, I will use Western Region time here. And then we can also change the time here. It's based on our friend that will already invite and does not repeat, we can also change here daily, weekly or Wednesday, for example, or monthly on the third Wednesday, or annually on December 24th, or every weekday. And also we can custom the date here for does not repeat. For example, repeat every 2 weeks. And then we check mark here repeats on, for example, Wednesday and Monday. For example, we want to do this training on Monday and Wednesday. So just check mark this is or repeat on Monday and Wednesday. Okay. So after this, besides repeat this, we can also select when this training will end. For example, never. It's never get an ending. So every to every week. For example, we can also slightly on. For example, we want to end this on this year, December 31st, 2022. So we can select the date. The agenda will end on Wednesday before December 31st, 2022. So this means that every 2 weeks we will the agenda on Monday and Wednesday. This is just for example. And then we can also add guests for today for our agenda. For example, I want to add a Google with a Google account. You can also add the guest here. So you can see here I have added a guest here, Leoncomputer 29@gmail.com. So after we send the invitation, and then we can also add, for example, for this pandemic era, with Google Meet. We really often to meet with Google Meet, so this could be activated if you want to make the calendar join with Google Meet. So up to 100 guest connections for the maximum capacities and locations. So for example, we will select New York for the location. Just click here. So this is based on your needs and on your situation. And we can also add the descriptions or attachments here. We can type everything here for the description or attach some files. For example, we will add the description, training, and attachment if we have some files to upload here. For example, the invitations file or other files, the support file. And then if we want to click more here on this blue dot here, you can see and we can select busy or free or default visibility. This is public or private. This agenda could be public or private agenda or event. So we can select some people on the public. Okay, so if private, our guests do not have see all the guests. So for example, we will select private here. So this notification for us. For example, 5 minutes before or 10 minutes before, 15 minutes before or 30 minutes before, 1 hour before, 1 day before. These notifications to remind us that we have an event or agenda on our Google Calendar. Okay, for example, okay. I will select 15 minutes before. This is for the example. And also we can add the notification here. For example, 10 minutes before and 15 minutes before. So the notification will appear 15 minutes before the event and 10 minutes before the agenda or the event. And then we click save here to save our change. Would you like to send invitation emails to Google Calendar guests? Okay, don't forget to send invitations to Google Calendar guests. That we've written here. And yes, this is successfully saved here. So we have agenda here, and this is the agenda. This the agenda for our event. That's how to use Google Calendar. See you on the next video. This might be useful, hopefully, and bye.